Hey guys, today I will be showing you how to do a glitch in Build-A-Boat Roblox. And yeah, first you're gonna need a wooden stick. You're gonna place it, and then you're gonna need titanium block. It's one of these. You put on top, and then you want a hinge. I spelled it wrong. A hinge, yeah, and then you're gonna need buttery. Oh my god. And then you wanna go on top of it, and you wanna place. You wanna be exactly perfect. So like, right, like. It may not work because I just started doing it, so. Okay, you see I can't move. And then yeah, that's your glitch. Hope you guys enjoy. Oh, I'm very bad. I'm like new at the game, kind of. But yeah, let me try one more time. That's one of the things. And yeah, so first, hinge. Hinge. Right. And then butter. You can move. And yeah. Hope you guys enjoy. Like and subscribe for more glitches. And oh, I know what's messing with me. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.